Hello guys, we got iPhone 6 here. It came with no power. Customer said it's not doing anything. They put on the charge, it's not doing anything, it's not showing any light. So I tried with the charger, it doesn't show anything on the screen. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I did not open this phone before, so I have no idea what I'm getting into, and the customer didn't provide any history of the phone. Sometimes per customer they provide the history of the phone, then it is easy to troubleshoot, but since they didn't have provided anything to me, so I don't know what happened to this phone exactly. So let's have a look. As you can see, this phone never been opened, is not water damage. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook my DC power supply and I'm gonna see what it does. I'm gonna grab my iPhone 6 cable. I'm gonna hook into my DC power supply. I will show you once I'm gonna the DC power supply. I have set it up to 5 amp. Let me lower it. Can you see? Straight away it is drawing 2.29 amp, 2.30 amp. So that's mean we have short circuit. We have short somewhere. So what I suspect, this is VCC main short. So let's remove the board from the housing. Set this camera to a triangle. Okay, let's remove the screen and board from the housing. Sorry guys, my camera is not sitting stable. Let me fix it in proper way. Okay, I'm gonna remove the screen. Okay, whenever I have VCC main shot, I always check two caps under this shield. They are VCC main because they often they get shorted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check under the microscope quickly because they are the hot point, and there is a cap on the back that gets hot bad as well. So let me switch you over the microscope if we are lucky enough. This is just experience guys, because when you guys are gonna work on the phone, you can have experience. Okay, I think this is the easiest one. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I can see what is the problem. Can you see the solder ball between in these caps? That one. So that's mean this cap is shorted. So we don't need to open the full phone. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna knock off this cap from the shield. I don't need to remove the shield even though, because I love to see visually instead of pushing around and injecting voltage and this and that stuff. Because from my past experience, there is a 3 hot spots for VCC main shot like this. 2 of these caps. Let me show you on the ZXW. So let me switch over to screen capture and I'm gonna open ZXW. I'm gonna show you what's the 3 hot spot for VCC main. Okay, we're gonna open iPhone iPhone 6. Okay, so we're talking about these caps. These are both on VCC main line, like PP underscore VCC underscore main. So we got solder ball here, so we have one of these cap shorted. So I always check these 2 caps under the shield if I can see any solder ball in between there, so I know where my problem is. And then third one is this one, is C5202 underscore RF. So these are the 3 hot points for VCC main dead, when phone eventually goes dead. So I always check these 3 things before doing anything. So as you can see under the scope that we have solder ball between these 2, right? So either one of those cap is bad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna remove this shield, I'm just gonna knock off one cap. Get my tweezer. I'm gonna take it off. Okay, this is off. Let me see with my multimeter quickly if we still have short or not. I'm gonna check in my diode mode readings. Let me see if that was the shorted cap, because that is easy to remove. The other one we may have to remove the shield. So let's see. Okay, I have 336 diode mode reading, so that's mean our short is clear. So this was the shorted cap. Let me show you. Let's check this cap. I'm gonna put my meter in continuity mode so you can hear the beep. Can you see? So this is the shorted cap. So now I'm gonna hook this phone back to DC power supply and I'm gonna prompt to boot, and let's see if the phone boots up. That was the really quick one, guys. Normally we get some difficult jobs, but sometimes we can get these easy jobs as well. I love doing these easy jobs, but sometimes we have to push around with dirty jobs as well. Okay, as you can see on my DC power supply, it is 0.00. So let's try to press power button, Apple logo. So let's see if this phone boots up. Okay, this phone is fully booted up. Can you see there is a passcode? So this is all up and running. So that was the problem. So I hope you guys learned something. That's all for today. I will see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.